Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shay, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a quick tutorial on how I did this super cute drawstring ponytail, little high ponytail puff type of look. I feel like it's a really super cute protective style. It's perfect for spring, it's perfect for any vacations and stuff coming up. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I did this. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into this tutorial. Okay guys, so first I'm going to be starting off with my Shay Solutions leave-in conditioner. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners, especially when I'm doing like slick styles, because the consistency of it is like really slippery and it just really glides through my hair, so it makes brushing my hair and smoothing my hair 10 times easier just because of the way it feels. And then I'm going in with my Lavish Curls hair growth oil. This is the little sample oil that I always use, but if you guys want to purchase it, it will be down in the description box below. And I just like to add that for extra hair growth because my hair is going to be in this style for a week, so might as well get the growth benefits of protective styling. And then I'm just going to be using my Wetline Extreme Gel to help slick down my hair. So since I have super thick hair, I usually have to split it in two. That makes the process way easier, because if I'm just trying to do it all at once, girl, this hair is not going to get slick. And what I found is using a Tangle Teaser brush really helps to just distribute the product easier and also slick it. Because if I just use a board bristle brush, my hair is not going to lay down. Like, my hair just plays me. So the Tangle Teaser really helps to work through any lumps that we might get sometimes when we are trying to get a sleek style. So I go in with the Tangle Teaser. So as you guys can see, I applied my leave-in first so I can get that slippery base so the product will work through really good. Then I go in with the Wetline Extreme Gel and then the Tangle Teaser to really help smooth out any lumps and tangles. And then I'm just going to take the hair loose so I can start forming it into that one high big bun. So as you can see, I'm going to go in with the Tangle Teaser a little bit again, just really running it through. You see how smooth the Tangle Teaser really helps to work through our hair, so it's really good for kinky hair. And then I'm just going to keep working my hair upwards so I can get it into that nice slick style. And then I'm going in with the board bristle brush, and then I'm just taking my scrunchies and wrapping into that ponytail. And that's some arm work, y'all. Y'all saw I was tired, but I'm going to go ahead and slick it a little bit more with the brush, just making sure everything is nice and smooth out. Now I'm going in with my Shay Yogurt Hair Moisturizer. This is one of my favorites from Alakae Naturals, and I basically like to put that throughout the ends of my hair because that's just going to help seal in moisture, reduce split ends, reduce breakage. You want to make sure when you're doing protective styling that you're using products that are really going to be hydrating, moisturizing, and help with hair growth. So sometimes I get this weird little lump in the front of my head, so I'm just taking a bobby pin to help lay it down more. And now I'm going in with my Lovely Bees Edge Control. I like this because it does have castor oil in it and things that are healthy for your edges, so making sure those edges aren't breaking off and that they're staying healthy. So I'm going ahead using that, and then I'm just going to wrap my hair so it's kind of out of my way while I'm preparing for my hair. So the hair that I'm using is from the Beauty Supply. It's just a random brand I found. It's called Beautiful Hair, and it says Remy Filling Smart Choice. So it's in the color 4. They didn't have any more color 2s, so I went ahead with the light brown. It still blends perfectly with my hair. And as you can see, it's not the type of drawstring where it has the little clasp, so it's just basically the string, but you can loosen it up like I'm showing you guys and still apply it to your hair. And it also says that this one is called Amber. So the hair is called Amber, I guess that's the name of it. I will try to link everything down below, but this drawstring ponytail only cost me $12.99. It's pretty good. It kind of reminds me of bundle hair. It looks like that same type of quality, but this is synthetic hair. So I'm going ahead and I'm just going to apply the combs on each side of my bun that I created, because you want to make that small bun so that your drawstring can go over it. I'm just pulling it tight, and then I'm going to take that string and wrap it around. And then when I get to the end of it, I'm taking a bobby pin and I'm going to secure it in place so that it's not going nowhere. So as you can see, I'm grabbing my bobby pin and I'm going to put it on the very end of that string and just tuck it in. And now here's the hair fresh out, and I am going to take the back of it so I can wrap it around, give it that more realistic look. You know, with synthetic hair, sometimes it might not look a little legit. So I'm going to take a string of hair from the back and wrap it around and secure it once again with a bobby pin. You guys know drawstrings are my favorite. Like, look at this hair. It looks so pretty, so realistic. But I am going to go through, fluff it out, give it a little bit of frizz so that it just looks more realistic like curly hair usually does. This is so cute, such a good protective style. I love it. It was so effortless. It was super easy. The hair doesn't feel stiff or anything. Like, it looks pretty realistic, and it's just a really, really cute go-to hairstyle that you guys can do. So I'm just going over my edges a little bit more. I'm using the Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade because sometimes one gel won't just lay my edges down. So I am going in with a more firm hold on top to just make sure everything is nice and in place. And then that's pretty much it. And you guys can also take a scarf and tie it down, but so much of your hair isn't showing because it's like a high puff style. So you honestly don't really need to tie your hair down, but you can if you want it extra sleek. But basically, these are my final results. Super cute. I will have all the info linked down in the description box below. If you guys all enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Drop a comment down below of what you think about this hairstyle. Do you like it? Is this something that you guys would try out? You know, it's really, really cute. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.